Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Katie and I make stuff vegan. Okay, so boom. So yesterday my friends and I had a picnic. It was so cute. It was so freaking cute. Like Memphis stresses me out, but there are some stuff that's just like so beautiful about it, like the riverfront. So I was in the group chat like, y'all, let's go on a picnic. And I wanted to bring like a couple of different things. None of my friends are vegan, but you know, I'm gonna pull up with some stuff. And I have a video, I think my next video is gonna be like some of the stuff that I made. But I wanted to make Chelsea buns because I saw them on TikTok. I always be on TikTok and somebody was like, I made some Chelsea buns. I said, hello? What's a Chelsea bun? So if you want to see what a Chelsea bun is and you want to see how I made it vegan, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so you never miss any of my videos. And as always, the link to the detailed recipe will be in the description box below. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so a Chelsea bun is basically a cinnamon roll with raisins in it. Now, don't click off. Hold on. I do love a raisin when they are in the appropriate places. Like, you know, a carrot salad with a raisin? Come on. A Chelsea bun, an oatmeal raisin cookie, like raisins have their place. And I thought this was very, very good. But you could also just like make a cinnamon roll, which I have a video for cinnamon roll. And you might not need that video anyway, because I did not have time to film the frosting, but it don't matter because it's in the cinnamon roll video. Okay, boom. So I have a cup of warm oat milk here and about like a teaspoon and a half of active dry yeast. I put that in the microwave to foam up. I didn't turn the microwave on. I did not turn the microwave on. I just put it in there because it's a warm place in my kitchen for like 15 minutes to froth up. Okay, in the meantime, I'm going in with 3 cups of flour. I know it looks like 2 because right here it is 2, but I'm just telling you, eventually I was like, girl, be serious. So I did 3 cups of flour, a little bit of salt, a cup of sugar, and some baking powder, and that's it. I mix it up. Here's my yeast. Science is like so cool. Black woman in STEM. Anyway, so I poured that in along with a stick of butter. I use the Trader Joe's vegan butter. It's vegan butter. Somebody asked me, is that vegan butter? The thing I hate about being a vegan content creator, there's a couple things that are just like annoying. One of the things is like everything is a got you. Like everything is like, is that vegan? Sweet baby Jesus, yes. Like sweet pea. You understand if it's not vegan, it affects me. You know, I don't cut the camera and go eat steak. You know what I'm saying? Like it affects me too. Like not only like do I just not want to eat like dairy or whatever, it's gonna mess my stomach up. Like dang. But I just want to clarify, I have been enjoying the vegan butter. Woo, are we good? From Trader Joe's because it's cheap. It's like $3.99 for basically 2 sticks because it comes in a block. Which I guess that's on par with like Earthbound's, because Earthbound's you get 4 sticks for like 6 something depending on where you are in the country, because food be high here in Memphis. I noticed that because when I go to Chicago it'll be cheaper. And it's accessible, it tastes good. Okay, I mix it all together until a shaggy dough formed, and then I put it on my clean counter and I started kneading this joint. And one day I'm gonna get a stand mixer and I'm gonna be like, ugh, I've made it. I actually don't really mind kneading dough by hand because I think it's giving very much, oh, she's in her era, she's in her little house on the prairie, you know what I'm saying? Very much giving aesthetic, like, you know, type thing, you know what I mean? If you don't want to go through none of that, I don't blame you, but you got to knead it for 10 minutes. If you want hockey pucks and you want it to, your dough to be tough and hard, nah, see, I'm brick opening, do what you want to do. Okay, you gotta knead that junk for 10 minutes. Don't tell me about the oil. It's too much. Don't, please ignore it. I don't know what happened, but I covered that. I put it in the microwave. I did not turn it on for like an hour and a half. Okay, time to make the little filling. Here's a stick of butter. It's like half of the package, and a cup of sugar. But in the recipe, I even say like, oh, do what you want to do, because like if you want it sweeter or not sweeter, like when I make desserts when I'm at home in Chicago, I don't make them as sweet because Jamaicans love a lot of sweets. That's like, I feel like that's how I know when something tastes good. Like, Jesus Christ, it's sweet. It's a cake. What? But you can temper it because so far, nothing's very sweet, right? We have a cup of sugar to 3 cups of flour. So you can really temper it if like if you're sensitive to sugar, okay? I have brown sugar. I got this vanilla bean paste from Trader Joe's. I was so excited when I saw it because normally it's like a winter time thing. They must have had an overstock or something, so I grabbed me one, okay? And you see I'm adjusting the sugar here. Brown sugar because, you know, it looked good, but you know, do what you want to do. I'm not going to be at your house, girl. You can use turbuno. What's it called? Oh, that's crazy. I'm not going to try to figure out how to say that. Never mind. You know what I'm talking about? Temecula. You know what I'm talking about. Anyway, okay, here we are. I punched the air out of it, and I'm trying to roll it out. You're gonna roll it out into a rectangle type thing. I know I said black women in STEM, it ends at math. It was like a shape. I don't think it has to be a perfect rectangle, and even if it had to be that, girl, I was not gonna do that. I was trying to get it flat. I'm thinking maybe like a 1/4 inch in that area, in that neighborhood, a 1/5 of an inch. Can you do a 1/5 of an inch? I don't know. But yeah, just flat enough so that you could spread it out and stuff like that. Here go my paste, and I'm gonna spread it everywhere. This is like, I feel I was kind of in a rush because sometimes I tarry with tardy, you know what I'm saying? And I was running late. I was like doing this in between things. Very busy day. Great day though. But why'd I say that? Why'd I mention that? Oh yeah, baking is so like therapeutic, especially like once you figure it out. It's like, yeah. Okay, so I'm cutting it in half. You don't have to do this. It's not in the recipe because one of my friends doesn't drink, and you'll see why I included that in a second. So I wanted to make like half of it just cinnamon rolls. It ended up not even mattering. But I made half of it just a regular cinnamon roll, and then the other half a Chelsea roll. But these are still Chelsea rolls. Okay, here are my raisins. It's like a cup of raisins that I soaked in rum. I had leftover Haitian rum from my, Haitian cremas. Oh, they still think about cremas. Wow, I can't wait for Christmas so I can make that again. Anyway, for my cremas video, and I was like, I'm gonna make Chelsea buns, but I'm gonna soak the raisins in rum. It's optional, but it just reminded me, because I'm so used to Jamaican desserts having like some aspect of like rum in it, like fruitcake, Easter bun, whatever, right? So I was just so happy. This came out so good. You don't have to do it. You can just put regular raisins. It's fine. And I'm gonna slice them. One day I'm gonna level up. I'm gonna get me some, what's it called? Where you go like this and you tie it. Twine. Okay. Yeah. Okay. If I put them in the thing, kind of spread out. It doesn't really matter. They're gonna bake and stuff like that. My camera cut off. That's crazy. But I covered them. I let them rise. And then I realized, like, when I was like comparing my recipes for like the cinnamon bun video, that you don't have to make them rise a second time. You can't, nothing happened, they were great. But you put them in a cold oven and that's the second rise. I love science. Anyway, the footage looks crazy, right? Because I was already at the park. Shout out to my friend Lonnie, she helped me film this. But yeah, I wanted to make sure they cooled. I did not want to put the frosting on it while they were still warm, and they were very much still warm when I left out. So I did it at the park. I spread on the little stuff, and I still had like a lot left over because these were huge. These are like the type you get at the store size, not like the little mini ones. But like I said, the frosting is in the link. it's in the link below. Here's the inside of it. These were so fluffy and so nice. And also check my cinnamon video. I think also I use the same frosting in my pumpkin cinnamon roll video. Like, it's what I'm saying is somewhere. And also you could just be like, girl, what? And I'll type back like, oh girl, da da da. But anyway, let me know what you think. Let me know if you try it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. While you're here, check out my other videos. So you know it's enough videos. If you've made it this far in the video, what should I make next? Please let me know. I want to hear from you. Thank you again, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, y'all.